In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a presale code on Ticketmaster. To get started, head over to the Ticketmaster website or open the Ticketmaster app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account before you do anything else. This is important because popular events can move quickly, and being logged in ahead of time helps you save valuable seconds during checkout. Once you're in, search for the event you want to attend. Before going further, check that the presale has actually started. If the presale window is not live yet, you may not be able to unlock the offer even if your code is correct. When the event page is ready, look for the option that says Find Tickets or Unlock, depending on how the presale is set up for that specific event. And after that, enter your presale code into the field labeled Offer Code or Unlock. Type it in carefully, exactly as provided, and then select Unlock. If the code is valid and the presale is active, Ticketmaster will let you continue to the ticket selection stage. If it doesn't work right away, double check for typos, extra spaces, or capitalization issues if applicable. Next, choose the number of tickets you want and your preferred seating option. Depending on the event, you may be able to select from different sections, price levels, or seat types. Take a moment here to decide what works best for your budget and preferences because availability can change very quickly during high demand sales. Once the available tickets appear, select the seats you want. In some cases, Ticketmaster may automatically assign the best available seats based on your choices, while in other cases, you may be able to pick directly from a seating map. Review the selection carefully so you know exactly what you're getting before moving on. From there, review your order and proceed to checkout. This is where you'll want to confirm the event details, ticket quantity, seating, and total price, including any fees. If everything looks correct, continue to the payment section. If needed, enter your payment details and complete your purchase. Try to move efficiently here, since timed sessions can expire if you wait too long. Once the transaction is successful, Ticketmaster will send you a confirmation email, and your tickets will appear in your account based on that event's delivery schedule. That's all it takes to use a presale code on Ticketmaster. If you follow these steps carefully and have your code ready in advance, the process is usually quick and straightforward.